So hello guys, welcome to my channel at this side Brijesh. So I will continue part 2 on the RHL 82, okay, of the basic command. Now let's start. So I'm just going to open my terminal, okay. Terminal size is small, so I'm just going to big it. Now it's looking good, okay. So first switch the user, okay. So now guys, our first command is BC. So BC stand for basic calculator. Now let's enter. So you can see here for detail type warranty. If I want to add anything like 20 plus 20, okay. Now press enter. So you can see it's calculated 40. Now if I want to divide 50 minus 46, okay. Now let's enter. So you can see, so our basic calculator, and to come back or to stop it just press Ctrl plus D, okay. That's it. Now how we can check version of the BC? So just press VC space hyphen B, okay. Press enter. So you can see BC version here, okay. Now guys, we have another command. So how we can check uptime of the server, user and load average, okay. So to check that we have command uptime, okay. uptime, then press enter. So it will show server uptime, okay, server running time you can see, okay, and handling user one user and load average this much, okay. So now we have another command. How we can check any kind of files and folder size? So we have command to check that, just du, okay, space hyphen sh, okay. For example, I have one slash etc, okay, then press enter. So you can see guys, it's indicated the size of the file 32 MB. You can see here 32 MB, okay. Now let's check another, du hyphen sh slash I have one more pass wd, okay, then press enter, okay. It's not showing, so no issue guys. We can check as like this way to size of the files and folder, any kind of files and folder, okay. Now how we can check calendar of the whole year? So we have command, first we have cal. So you can see it's open the recent calendar 2021, okay. Now to check the of the whole year, so we have command cal, just press 2022, okay. If I will press enter, so you can see guys 2022 calendar, okay. If I will check cal 2050 calendar, so it will show, you can see a 2050 calendar as like this way we can open. Or if we want to check cal 1990, okay, 99, then press enter. So you can see here, so as like this way we can check our calendar time, okay. Now so first I'm going to clear it guys. Now how we can check RAM of the computer and how much we are using? So we have command just free, okay. Oh sorry, memory of the system. So you can see, okay, yeah, memory RAM, that's, so you can see guys here I am using total, it is my used in used, okay. Oh sorry, it's used total and it's free, this much is free only, okay. Now guys we have another command. So how we can check CPU information? So to check the CPU information, we have one command lscpu. Okay, then press enter. So you can see all the information about your system CPU. Okay, you can see here Intel Core i5 fourth version which I am using. Okay, 30 32-bit, 64-bit. You can see here little Andean. Okay, you can see here vendor ID, BIOS vendor ID. Okay, model number, BIOS model number, you can see here, and CPU megahertz is. Okay, and hyper version, VMware virtualization type, and L1D cache, you can see here. So all the information you will get through this command. Okay, now guys, we have more command how we can check file and directory. Okay, how we can find. Okay, so to find the files and directory, we have command just to find. Okay, then slash space hyphen name, then type their files or directory name. So I am just going to check India. Okay, now let's find. So wait guys. Okay, so it's didn't find. Okay, so we can find to another. To come back, just press Ctrl plus C guys. Okay, like I want to, if I want to find, so just type here find space slash space hyphen name, then type there slash etc. Okay, it's also permission denying guys due to some reason. I don't know what's the, I have login from the root, then also it's okay, no issue. So how we can find file only? So to find file only guys, we can find, just find space slash space name pa pass wd. Okay, space hyphen type, then what is the, its file. So pass wd, it's our file. So just find it. So you can see it's finding now guys. You can see pass wd. Okay, these are, so it has easily find. So like this way, if you want to find directory, so just to press here find slash space hyphen name. Okay, then type there, like I have one directory British space hyphen type, then type here D, it's indicate directory. Okay, so now let's enter. So you can see all the directory of the British. Okay, now guys, okay, so how we can, so guys, now how we can find empty files. Okay, so we have command find slash space, just type here empty. Okay, oh sorry guys, we have to press here hyphen, also hyphen empty, then it will able to find, then press enter. So you can see all the empty file, files and folder. Okay, through this command. To press it, just press Ctrl plus C, so it will stop guys. Now how I can just find my empty files and directory? Okay, so to find the empty files and directory, find space slash space hyphen empty. Okay, space F to find the file. Okay, oh sorry guys, type typ hyphen type space file. Okay, so now all the files, empty files, you can see here. Okay guys, so to stop it you have to press Ctrl plus C, then you will able to stop. Okay, now how I can find directory only? So same command with the D. Okay, now let's enter, so you can see all the empty directory guys. Okay, now so let's move to another command. So now guys, how we can check file size? Okay, if we have file, so how we can check that size? So to check that file size, just type here find space hyphen size 10 MB, 10 MB file size. Okay, so now it will show all the 10 MB file size. You can see guys, 10 MB file size. Okay, now if we want search more than 10 MB file size, so we have command just to find here find space hyphen size more than 10 MB. Okay, just press plus sign, you can see here, then M, just press enter now, so you can see all the 10 MB files more than 10 MB. Okay, now if you want to find less than, so just minus. Okay, so now it will show all the less than 10 MB files. Okay guys, same way to stop it, just press Ctrl plus C, so you can stop it. Okay, now guys, so I'm just going to clear it first. I have one command guys, cat etc pass wd. Okay, let's enter, so you can see this is the file of etc. Okay, and pass wd file. So now guys, if I want to check upper 10 line, so how I can check? Okay, so to check the upper 10 line guys, we have command. Okay, so I will show you how we can check that. Just wait for few seconds guys. Okay, now so to check the upper 10 line we have command he, wait guys, head head space hyphen etc slash pa pass, then press tab, so it will automatically get full words. Okay, then press enter, so it will show upper 10 line guys, you can see here from here. Okay, upper 10 line. Okay, so now how we can see the 5 line from the upper? Okay, so now to check the 5 line, head space hyphen n space 5 space, then same command slash tab here, so it will get automatic pass wd tab, then enter. Okay, so you can see the upper 5 line. Okay, so in this way we can check guys. Now we have another command to see the 10 line from the bottom, so how we can check? So to check the 10 line, just press TAIL, tell guys, space hyphen etc press pass wd, then press enter. So you can see 10 line from the bottom, and check the 8 line, 10 line, 100 line from the bottom. Okay, so you can also check that by this command, cal hyphen n space. If I want to check 15 line, okay, from the bottom, so I can check slash etc slash pass wd. Okay, then press enter. So you can see 15 line from the bottom. Okay guys, now to check the last line of the file, so we have command cal hyphen, as we check now, like file server logs guys. So to check the server logs file from the bottom or from the of the last line, so we can check from this command. Okay, so slash etc slash pass wd, then press enter. So it will show from the bottom. Okay, so now to come back, just press ctrl plus c, so you will be back. Now guys, if I want to check my system hard disk, so how I can check? So to check the system hard disk, we have command lsblk. Okay, then press enter. So you can see here is my ISO. Okay, and this is my first partition. You can see here disk, this is my boot. Okay, this is swap. Okay, so now guys, we have more command. We have more command guys. Those first I'm going to clear it. Just type. Okay, wait, now it's clear. Okay, how we can search the file and directory which are modified within 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 40 minutes, or 1 hour. So like that. So I'm just going to check that. Find space hyphen mm20, or you can type here 30 within 30 minutes. So then press enter. So it will show all the files and folder which are modified within 30 minutes. So you can see guys, this must file. Okay, so now press enter to stop it. Okay, now if you want to find more, less than more 20 MB, so we have more command guys. Just type here find, okay, space hyphen space hyphen min plus 20. So it will also show, you can see all the files. Then press ctrl c to stop it. Okay guys, or if you want to check within file 2 minutes, so we can also check that. So now we have guys more command, how we can check server restarted time. Okay, so to check that, last space hyphen x, then press enter. So you can see server, oh sorry, server shutdown time guys, and restarted time. So it will show all the server shutdown and restarted time. And now check to only restarted only, so we have command last. Okay, then press enter. So you can see last restarted time only. Okay, okay guys, so now we have more command guys. So how we can see our files and command location, like I will tell you. First I'm going to clear it. Like I have which mkdir. Okay, so it will show, you can see under the usr bin you will able to find under the usr slash bin mkdir. Okay, like that. If I want to find which touch, okay, these are command file guys, so we can check where, what is the location, usr bin touch, you can see here. Okay, and if you want to find which cal, so it will also, you can see usr under the bin. Okay, so now guys, and we have more how we can check where wh through this command also, where is mkdir, so it will also show, you can see all the under the usr bin mkdir users here, it will show all the full information guys, you can see full information. Okay, so now just clear it. So hope guys you have loved this video. So as like this video will be continue on this channel, so please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Really have a nice day.